Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing essentials. Keep the Siri remote, HDMI cable, and power plugged in. Make sure you know the Apple ID password. Once ready, you'll choose which reset type: reset to factory without update, or reset and update, which erases and installs the latest TV OS. Now go to Settings, navigate to System or General depending on model. This first step ensures you don't get stuck mid-reset, and it clarifies whether you want to preserve settings versus a complete wipe. You now perform the core actions. In Settings, select System or General on older models, then choose Reset. Once you pick Reset or Reset and Update, the box will ask you to confirm. Press the remote to proceed. The device will show progress. Let it finish fully. Make sure not to unplug power or HDMI because interrupting a reset can corrupt the system. If your Apple TV is unresponsive, you may need to force restart with the remote or use a computer restore later. Once the reset completes, you'll see the Setup Assistant. Sign in with your Apple ID, reconnect Wi-Fi, and restore any settings or apps you need. If the box doesn't complete reset, try a force restart. Hold Menu and TV/back until it restarts, or connect to a Mac/PC and restore using Finder or iTunes. If errors persist, note any error codes and retry the restore. Contacting Apple support is the last step. This process clears account links and resolves most software.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.